Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by verifying device and carrier support for Esim now. Check the phone model and carrier list before proceeding with any steps. Find your EMA and EID in settings to confirm compatibility and to provide to the carrier. Make sure your phone is charged above 50% and connected to Wi-Fi for downloads. Back up your current physical SIM data or contacts to cloud storage before altering settings. Note if your plan uses 4G, LTE, or 5G for proper provisioning and profile activation. Get the carrier QR code or activation code before starting the install. Open Settings, then choose Cellular or Mobile Data to begin the eSIM process. Use Add Cellular Plan and scan the carrier QR code or enter the activation code manually. If reinstalling, delete the old eSIM profile first, then reboot the phone and add the new profile. Follow on-screen prompts and accept carrier terms to complete provisioning. Keep your carrier support number ready if activation fails or shows provisioning errors. Restart the phone and toggle airplane mode if activation stalls for 10 minutes. Confirm the carrier has provisioned your plan on their backend and that your account is active. Check APN settings and cellular data toggle if you have no network after activation. Remove and re-add the eSIM profile only after checking carrier provisioning and account status. Update the phone OS to the latest version if the eSIM menu is missing or buggy. Contact carrier support with EMA, EID, and the exact activation error message for escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.